Okay guys, so we got 3 nice breadfruit. We're gonna roast them, you see. Yeah man, we're gonna roast them today. 3 nice ones, so stay tuned and we're gonna be roasting it together. Good morning guys, welcome back to my vlog. I want to thank everybody, all 20,300 of you guys who've subscribed and who are giving me the support. I love you guys, all of you. Today is gonna be another home vlog. I'm not doing anything much. It's a bit overcast, but I love it. This is how I like the weather. Sometimes, especially when I'm outside. I love breadfruit. Oh my goodness, breadfruit, man. No, eat. Them say if you eat breadfruit too much, you get coward. Comment down below if you know that. If you've ever heard that before. But me don't know if I saw it go make me coward galang because I love breadfruit so much. Breadfruit and plantains. I could live on that. I could live on that forever. Okay guys, so we got 3 nice breadfruit. We're gonna roast them, you see. Yeah man, we're gonna roast them today. 3 nice ones, so stay tuned and we're gonna be roasting it together. There it is guys, big fire blazing. We can't really find a lot of sticks, so we just make up a little something, you know. So yeah, there you have it, roasting breadfruit out a door. Alright guys, so we made a little X in the bottom to make it roast quicker. That's the way we know how to do it. Now we put it on the fire. Yes, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? You want to go sit on there? Yay! Eric, what's that on the back of your foot? Stomp, 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 stomp your feet. Stomp, 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 stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Alright guys, so there we have our breadfruit, 3 of them all roasted and ready. So over here we have the fire going again, and we're going to be doing some fried fish out the door. Yeah.
Yardy style.
Yeah man, yardy style. Bush cooking.
In the backyard.
In the backyard, you know, real wood fire cooking.
Right.
So yeah, we have the pot with some oil, and then we're gonna get our big fish and drop them in and fry them up nice. Alright guys, so we got 2 big nice snapper ready for the pot. Yeah.
You know?
Alright guys, this is what we have. The fish still frying, the pot is bubbling. Yeah. I don't know, I just like when my fish is fried crisp and nice. I love it that way. It just tastes better to me. So yeah, it smells really good. The smell of the fish frying is just all over the backyard. It smells so good. Alright guys, there you have it. Fish almost ready. I like my fish nice and crisp, so this is just perfect. Smells really good. Okay guys, there we have lunch. We've got the fish with a little bit of escabeche sauce on top, breadfruit, and a little simple salad. And right here we have blended juice. It is fruit punch, pineapple, apples, watermelon, a whole bunch of different fruits, and ginger. So yeah, that is lunch.